Your fourth offense OWI arrest in Wisconsin is a Class H felony that carries significant mandatory penalties. Those penalties include a minimum of 60 days in jail and up to 6 years in prison, revocation of your driver's license for at least 2 to 3 years, and under certain circumstances, the rest of your life, up to $10,000 or more in fines, ignition interlock device requirements, and much more. Let's take a closer look. Your fourth offense drunk driving conviction is a felony that can have devastating, life-changing consequences. It goes without saying that a felony conviction can damage your relationships and career, let alone your reputation. If you are convicted of a fourth offense OWI, the judge has no choice but to sentence you to serve at least 60 days in jail, and your sentence may be up to 6 years in prison. In addition to this mandatory incarceration, a felony conviction carries additional penalties that most people don't think about. If you are convicted of a felony offense, you lose additional rights, including the right to vote and possess firearms. You will likely also have a more difficult time finding employment, leasing an apartment or buying a home, and obtaining and maintaining professional licenses. Some of these consequences stay with you for life. This is a situation nobody should ever be in. Outcomes can vary drastically by the attorney that you hire, the county that your charge is in, as well as the details of your case. So, what can you expect? You face incarceration time of at least 60 days in jail and up to 6 years in prison. The list of penalties goes on to include over $10,000 in court costs and fines, which can double, triple, or even quadruple, depending upon your blood alcohol concentration. Counseling fees, a lifetime travel ban to Canada and the European Union, and more. You also face a revocation of your driver's license and ignition interlock device requirement for at least 2 to 3 years. If your fourth offense occurs within 15 years of your previous offense, you also face a lifetime revocation of your driver's license with no possibility of an occupational license. And you may only apply for reinstatement of your license after 10 years. That's right. If you're convicted of a fourth offense OWI in Wisconsin, you may be unable to drive for at least 10 years and maybe for the rest of your life. This does not mean that your case is hopeless. This definitely does not mean that there is nothing that you can do right now to help yourself. Grieve Law. We are Wisconsin's best choice for drunk driving and OWI defense. Our statewide team features multiple former state prosecutors, award-winning defense attorneys, field sobriety test instructors, and attorneys who even train other defense attorneys. There's a reason why when lawyers and police get their own drunk driving arrests, they call us. Most other attorneys claim to be defense lawyers, but actually only handle a few real DUI and criminal cases each year. Meanwhile, Grieve Law successfully handles more criminal defense cases than any other firm in the state. Contact us for your free consultation to learn about our flat fees, payment plan options, and what can be done about your case. Also, check out our other great OWI content for specific topics about drunk driving defenses, occupational licenses, and other common questions.